Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial. I hope all of you are well in the pandemic situation around the world. Today I will share with you the topics cash flow statement. Before starting, I heartily request you for watching the tutorial until end, and if you don't understand any topic, then you can share with me by comment. I will reply your comment inshallah. What is cash flow statement? It's one of the four major financial statements prepared by public limited companies. You know, a public limited company need to prepare by law four types of financial statement: income statement, balance sheet, owner's equity statement, and the last, cash flow statement. How a company know, what information can company know by preparing cash flow statement? Actually, cash flow statement shows cash inflows and the cash outflows from different sources. What is cash inflow? In a simple way, we can say cash inflow means receiving cash or increasing cash, where cash outflow means payment of cash or decreasing cash. By preparing cash flow statement, the company can know the different sources by which company cash flow increase or decrease. Now we'll learn why a company need to prepare cash flow statement. Let's clear the topics by an example. You see in the screen suppose a company has net income $30,000, current year depreciation $2,000, credit sales $20,000. So what is the cash amount? And assume you have a company, your company need to buy a machine by cash amount. So is it possible for a company to purchase a machine with this net income $30,000 by cash? We don't know. So for knowing this information, we need to prepare cash flow statement. We need to prepare how cash comes. So here you see cash equal to net income plus non-cash expense minus credit sales. What does it mean? Actually, with the net income, we need to adjust non-cash expense plus and need to deduct credit sales, because when your company prepared net income, that time your company deduct non-cash expense, but your company did not pay this amount in cash, and this credit sales includes in net income. Also, company did not take this amount, so need to adjust these two types of account. And finally here we see that cash equal to 12,000. So it's not possible for a company to buy a machine with this amount shows net income 30,000. So I hope you have understood why company need to prepare cash flow statement. And it is said that cash is the blood of a company. If company take an initiative, then it must know what is the amount of cash available in company's bank account. Now, relations with the other statements. When we will prepare cash flow statement, we will use this relation. We need to use this relationship. First, income statement. From income statement, we can know net income amount, and this net income will be used in cash flow statement. Another information here, comparative balance sheet. What does mean comparative balance sheet? Comparative balance sheet means at least 2 years balance sheet, so that we can compare current year balance sheet with last year balance sheet. From comparative balance sheet, we can easily know change in assets and liabilities. The amount which has been changed by to balance sheet will be used in cash flow statement. Actually, this is the first tutorial made on cash flow statement. I hope you have understood the main theme of cash flow statement. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to prepare cash flow statement. So thank you very much for watching the tutorial. Thank you.